Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Gmail filters and labels for workflow automation. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open your Gmail account in your preferred web browser. Locate the search bar at the top of the Gmail interface. Click on the small downward facing arrow on the right side of the search bar to open the advanced search options. In the advanced search window, specify the criteria for the emails you want to filter. You can enter information in various fields such as from, to, subject, and has the words. Once you have set your criteria, click on the Create Filter button at the bottom right of the advanced search window. In the next window, you'll see several options for actions to apply to the filtered emails. Choose the action that suits your needs, such as skip the inbox, apply the label, or forward it to another email. If you wish to apply a label, select Apply the Label and choose an existing label from the drop-down menu. To create a new label, click on New Label and enter the label name. Once you've selected your actions, check the box to also apply filter to matching conversations if you want the filter to apply to existing emails. Finally, click the Create Filter button to save your new filter. Now, to manage your labels, go to the left sidebar and locate the section displaying your labels. Hover over the label you want to modify and click on the three vertical dots that appear next to it. From the drop-down menu, you can choose options such as Edit, Hide, or Remove. To edit a label, select Edit and make the necessary changes to the label name or color. To create more labels for better organization, click on Create New Label from the same drop-down menu. Enter the new label name and click Create to add it to your Gmail account. For further automation, consider creating nested labels by selecting the Nest Label under option when creating a new label. As you set up your filters and labels, monitor their effectiveness over time. Adjust the filter criteria and actions as needed to better suit your workflow. Regularly review and update your labels to keep your Gmail organized and efficient. With these configurations, your email management will become streamlined and less overwhelming. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.